Santa Monica Civic Auditorium. Right here in this building, the Doors played July 3rd, 1967. And that was right around the time Light My Fire became the #1 song in the country, in the world, in the universe. July 3rd. And there seems to be a lot of things happening on July 3rd. Most notably, Jim's death, 1971, July 3rd. Playing here, July 3rd, 1967. And some of the other locations even involve July 3rd. Can't remember off the top of my head, but keep watching, because this was a spot. And even once upon a time, Timothy O'Leary was here. And I believe it was out of Robby's book. I'm not 100%. Could have been Ray's, could have been John's. I read all three of them. But they were here with Timothy O'Leary sitting next to Timothy, on the stage, high on LSD. And that would have been around 65, 66. And then the Doors played here, 67, July 3rd. And now, we're going to head to Ray and Dorothy's on Fraser. Let's get a scooter and scoot our way.